Okay, pool players, episode 22. We're attacking a 13-degree cut, top of the second ball. This rack has a couple complexities. Let's go ahead and see how we get through it.
We're set to hit the top of the 9 ball. I'm going to hit this with a stun follow, so half tip above center. Full stroke.
Okay guys, back to the slow motion so you can see exactly how the rack blossoms. Quite a few balls came out here, but they're still a bit tied up, so we got a lot of work ahead of us.
Okay, that ended up pretty well. I'm going to go between the 7 and the 1, split them up. I should have a shot in the 5, or maybe even the 7, or the 13. Not hitting this too hard, I just want to give a little nudge. That may have seemed a little risky, but it would be pretty bad for me not to get a shot. Okay, I got a shot in the 8. Okay. I'm going to bump the 12 out. I'll have a shot in the 11 on the side. Okay. Or the 12. I'm going to play the 12. I'm going to try to get position here for the 10 ball. If I don't have the 10, I'll have the 13. Okay, I don't have the 10, but I have the 13. And kill this ball. Position on this 4 ball. I'm going to come back for the 5, the 1, or the 11 and the 3, probably the 5 or the 1. I ended up with the 11 or the 3. And the 5, but really the 11 or the 3. And play the 11 ball. Okay, I actually tried to clip the 15 there. I thought I'd get a good result if I hit that, but I'm okay. I got a good 6-10 combination or the 3 ball. I'll take the 6-10 because I want to get rid of this anyway. That's good. Now I can play this 1 ball. 5 balls should go down. Actually, we're going to work this a little different. I'm going to play the 3 ball, play position on the 15. Make it a half table game here. Let's play the easier shot. Hit this 1 ball softly. Just want some sort of angle on this 5 so I can get out. I got it, so I'm okay. actually attempting to play position on the 15 there, so that was a poor shot. Decent recovery shot. If I can hold this and stay near the middle of the table, I'll be all right. I really want to be here, but I'm probably going to end up more here. This is good still. I don't want to end up here. Able to kill it too much, but I have a shot.
Okay, pool players, as you could tell, this track had quite a few complexities. Opened up all right, but a lot of clusters, a lot of scenarios came up that were pretty difficult to solve. In the end, I probably should have used a 3 to get to the 15 ball and then ran those out accordingly. But we managed to get a reasonable break shot, nice cut angle. It's going to open up well if we pocket it. So I suppose mission's accomplished. Have a great day or night, and we'll see you at the next angle.